You should never allow water to pond next to your foundation. When water is allowed to pond, bad things happen. The soil becomes saturated and may swell excessively, distorting the foundation and damaging your home. The only way you can prevent water from ponding near your foundation is to use a drainage system to drain the water away from your foundation. This video shows you how to do that. Notice that in this sketch how the soil next to the foundation slopes toward the foundation. Now let's follow a raindrop and see what happens. One drop will not do any real harm, but a heavy rain will result in water ponding against the foundation, causing the soil to swell and lift the foundation. Now, let's see what happens when the soil slopes away from the foundation. So long as the water ponds at least 5 feet from the foundation, there is little chance that it will cause a problem. So far, we have assumed that the drainage follows the soil surface. This is largely true when the surface soil is mostly clay. But look at what happens when the surface soil is mostly sand and there is a clay strata underneath. The water simply drains through the sand and then follows the clay surface underneath. This can result in a lot of water draining into the area underneath the foundation. This causes the clay soil to swell and the foundation to move. If there is enough foundation movement, the house will be damaged. Unfortunately, this type of situation can be very difficult to detect since it is all hidden below the ground surface. And also, unfortunately, this situation is not that uncommon in Harris County north of I-10. To give you a better idea of what proper drainage looks like, consider this sketch. There should be 4 inches of exposed foundation concrete all around the foundation. The ground surface should fall as you move away from the foundation. It should fall 6 inches in 10 feet or 6 inches to the property line if the property line is closer to the foundation than 10 feet. This overhead view shows how rainwater coming off the roof should drain away from the foundation and then off the property. In the front, the water flows directly from the foundation to the street. In the rear, there is a swell that receives water from the rearmost area of the backyard and from the area near the foundation. This swell is shaped so that the water flows to the right and left sides and then is taken to the street through side swells. The water at the sides, coming off the roof at the sides, is also directed to the side swells and to the street. Creating swells with an existing house can sometimes be more work than most people want to do. An alternative is to use an underground system to drain the water. If you go this route, it's better to have the area drains and drain pipes away from the foundation and to slope the ground to the area drains so that's where it takes the water. It is also possible to use roof gutters as a part of your drainage system. If roof gutters are not used properly, however, they can make the situation worse. There are 2 rules you must follow. The entire eave area of the roof should be guttered, and the downspouts must discharge into an underground drain as shown in the photo, or onto clay soil that is sloped so as to drain the water quickly away. It is imperative that the water from the downspouts be diverted away from the foundation so that it does not cause problems for the foundation. If you have enjoyed my video, please visit my website at www.wateryourfoundation.com for more tips on how to properly maintain your Houston area slab-on-grade foundation.